안녕하세요, 여러분. 잘 지내요? So, are you ready to learn some essential Korean words that will make your Korean language journey way more exciting? In today's video, we are diving into 30 must-know places in Korean that you can start using right away. Stick around because I've got a special tip at the end that will help you remember them faster. Let's get started. 학교, 학교. 집, 집. 병원, 병원. 공원, 공원. 도서관, 도서관. 카페, 카페. 식당, 식당. 시장, 시장. 회사, 회사. 은행, 은행. 공항, 공항. 역, 역. 버스 정류장, 버스 정류장. 극장, 극장. 교회, 교회. 백화점, 백화점. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to smash that like button to let me know. It motivates me and I really appreciate all your support. So, which place in Korea are you most excited to visit? Drop your answer in the comment box. Also, let me know if you're enjoying and learning from these videos. Let's continue. 경찰서, 경찰서. 우체국, 우체국. 약국, 약국. 미용실, 미용실. 대사관, 대사관. 헬스장, 헬스장. 해변, 해변. 박물관, 박물관. 영화관, 영화관. 마트, 마트. 서점, 서점. 호텔, 호텔. 놀이공원, 놀이공원. 바다, 바다. Now we have completed 30 places in Korean. Let's review what we have learned so far. 집, house. 병원, hospital. 카페, cafe. 은행, bank. 공항, airport. 약국, pharmacy. 마트, Mart, department store. 대사관, embassy. Alright, we have covered 30 places, but here's the special tip I promised. To remember these words quickly, try writing them down, create your own sentences with them, and review every week. It really works. If you're serious about learning Korean, you'll have to be crazy about it and do your 100%. Now, if you want more videos like this and information regarding scholarship, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification so you never miss out on more vocabulary and scholarship regarding videos. If you're still watching, then 감사합니다. See you in the next video. 안녕.